Hey, what's up, DLRs? Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel. Thank you for watching. We're talking Canopy Showerheads, and in today's video, we're going to show you how to properly and safely replace the filter in the actual shower head. Let's take a look. Making our way inside the bathroom, and there it is, our Canopy Showerhead. And DIYers, again, we are at the 90-day point or 3-month point, and it is now time to replace the filter inside the shower head. And as you can see, we currently and actually have always had the scalp massager adapter installed. And bringing the shower head in, again, we've got the scalp massager, as you see, with the prongs that stick out. And it's leaking a little bit of water, that's normal. And again, I'm going to grab these little ribbed portions right here and just turn it counterclockwise. And go slow. There is absolutely no reason to rush this, as you see. And I will set the adapter down. And from here, just carefully pull up and remove the filter. And surprisingly, it's pretty heavy. I will set the shower head down carefully without damaging it or scratching it. We've made our way to the workstation, and in front of us is the box that the brand new filter comes in, and we've got the Canopy filter as opposed to an aftermarket filter. However, in the chance that you don't want to spend the extra money for the Canopy branded filter, we'll have links down below in the comments and description for both. However, again, back to the box, bring me to your shower and turn it to the back side. Additional info, not sure if that will be helpful to you. We'll just carefully open up the box. Next, just a quick comparison between the old on the left and the brand new on the right. Back inside the bathroom and grabbing our shower head, and take note of the internal icon as you see, and that shows the shower head and the actual shape of the filter housing so you install it properly. And again, all I'm going to do is ever so carefully rest the filter in the shower head and make sure it's centered in there. Coming in with the Canopy shower head and tightening it in place. And I want to tighten or position the scalp massager in a way where the word Canopy is not upside down when we have this installed. Going back up top with the brand new filter installed and reading the instructions, it does state anytime you install a brand new filter and turn the water on, it's very possible that the water will be discolored momentarily, but that will go away. And the strings or flow of water, second to none. Look at that. Absolutely no interruption with the water flow or strings all the way from the shower head down to the tub. And no discoloration yet. But again, it may or may not happen. But if it does, it'll go away. Don't stress out about it. Taking a step back, we shut the water off. We actually let it run for about 5 minutes and all went well, and we hope this helps. And down below in the comments and description, you will find additional video links, and that includes unboxing as well as installing this unit, and the 1-week update, 1-month update, and 3-month update. As well as we use a TDS meter to test the water just to see what it registers again on the TDS meter when the water flows through the filter.